Hey friends, welcome back to my channel where I help you with entrepreneurship skills and wealth building, and today we are going to discuss 9 best side hustles to start in 2020. Number 1. Rent out extra space on Airbnb. If you have extra space to rent out in your house or on your property, Airbnb is for you. Depending on where you are located, you can easily make an extra $2,000 a month from renting out your space. Number 2. Become a local travel guide in your area. Did you know that you can also become a travel guide through Airbnb? Just create an Airbnb experience to list on the app in your local area and you are in business. Number 3. Deliver for DoorDash or Uber Eats. A reliable source of transportation, a valid driver's license, and a car insurance is all you need to pull off this side gig. Now with DoorDash and Uber Eats, there is more opportunity added to the playing field. If you don't have a car, you can still deliver food using a scooter or a bike depending on your location. Number 4. Make money answering other people's questions on Just Answer. JustAnswer.com is a site where you can get paid for answering other people's questions. People come to this site to ask questions to a variety of different categories of expert. How much you can make per answer you provide as an expert depends on the amount that the person is willing to pay for the answer. Number 5. Rent out your car. You can literally get paid now for renting out your car in a similar way to renting out space in your home on Airbnb. The basic idea is getting paid for other people to rent your car instead of renting cars from services. Number 6. Freelance skills you already have on Fiverr. Let's say you have experience with web designing, web development, copywriting, public relation, etc. You could freelance your skills on Fiverr and set your own rate for each project. Number 7. Sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is like the upgraded version of Craigslist. It makes it possible for you to list and sell items in your local area and keep all communication within Facebook, so you feel safer when going to meet up for the exchange. Number 8. Earn money off your photography skills. Shutterstock will pay you $1 per image download of your photos. Over time, the more you earn increases how much you earn per image. If you are a seasoned photographer, this is a great way to earn income passively. Take a photo once, earn from it multiple times. Number 9. Test websites for user testing. Test websites and apps online to get paid for it on usertesting.com. If you pass the application process, you can get paid up to $60 per test. User testing will pay you via PayPal 7 days after the date of your completed test.